Namaskara, I am Ram Biradar from Hazirite classes. Now we will be studying the GK part, that is continents of the world. Yes, so does everyone know continents and oceans of the world? Tell me. Yes, continents and oceans of the world. How many continents are there? Yes, seven continents, right? So there are how many continents? Seven continents are there. And then how many oceans are there? Five oceans, right? Yes. So now first we will see the continents. What we will see? That is the oceans we will see first. Okay. So see here. So we know there are total of five oceans. Yes. So which are the oceans? This is the south. This is the, that is I wrote reverse, right? This is north. This is south, and this is east, and this is west. So here in the north, which ocean is there? Tell me. Yes, Arctic Ocean. Which ocean? Arctic Ocean. In the south, which ocean? Southern Ocean. Okay. Yes, Southern Ocean. We also see it as Antarctic. What? Antarctic. What? Antarctic, right? Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean, both are fine, same. Understand? So next, this is first. You can take second one, and then third is Pacific Ocean. Yes, Pacific Ocean, right? So that is the third one. Okay. So next is what? That is fourth one is Atlantic. Atlantic is between what? That is North America, South America, Africa, and this is Europe, right? This is Europe, between this. And Pacific is, right? So this earth is round, that is, you know, globe, right? So that is why it is connected, this. So this is Pacific Ocean. Next is Indian Ocean. Fifth one is what? Indian Ocean, that is between Africa, and then this is Asia, this is Australia, and this is what? Antarctica, right? Arctic and Antarctic Ocean. There are total of how many oceans? Five oceans. Yes, everyone remembers? Okay, so let us see the names. Pacific Ocean is the biggest one. Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean. There are total of five. Yes. Should we see the details? Pacific Ocean. So Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest in the earth, right? On the earth. So that is the largest ocean. You can see here in the map also. It is so big, isn't it? It covers most of the land. Okay. Part of the earth. So here next, the deepest point is of the earth in the ocean. The deepest part in the sea, that is the ocean, is in Pacific Ocean. What is it? Tell me. Deepest point is, tell me. Yes, is it audible? Yes, Tidya? Ha. What is that? Mariana Trench. What is that? Mariana Trench, right? So that is in the ocean. Which ocean? That is in the Pacific Ocean. The which point? That is ocean point, that is in the sea. Okay, so that is the deepest point is Mariana Trench. It is located in Pacific Ocean. Okay, deepest and largest it is. So next, the deepest point in the world, Mariana Trench, yeah, it is given here, is located in the Pacific Ocean. Okay. So the Pacific Ocean covers around 46% of the Earth's water surface. Total Earth is covered with how much percent of water? Yes, Earth surface 71, nearly 71% it is covered. In that, half, nearly half, 50% will be half. So half is covered with what? That is Pacific Ocean, right? So that is Pacific Ocean covers half of the water of this 71%. So if you take 100%, 71 half will be how much? That is nearly 36. That is, you can take it as 35%. 35% of the earth, nearly one third of the earth is covered by what? Pacific Ocean. One third, nearly one third, right? It is covered by Pacific Ocean. Okay. So the surface area of the Pacific Ocean is larger than the total land surface of the earth. Land is 29%. Yes, So 1/3 means nearly around 34% you can take. So the Pacific Ocean is bigger than the land, total land. That is, we say that Asia, Africa, continents combined, right? So land area, so that is bigger than that. Pacific Ocean is bigger than the land, whole land of the earth, right? So that much big is the Pacific Ocean. Okay, so will everyone remember these points? So next is Atlantic Ocean, right? Atlantic is ocean is in between what? That is Europe. Okay, you can see here. So here if you see, between Europe, Africa, South America, North America, that is Atlantic Ocean here. Okay, good. So see here, so the points about Atlantic Ocean, where is it? Yeah, so Atlantic Ocean is world's second largest after the which? Pacific Ocean. Atlantic Ocean covers around 29% of Earth's water. 29%. Here Pacific covers 46%, Atlantic covers 29%. Okay. Next is Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean is the third largest, that is after the Atlantic. So Indian Ocean constitutes 20% of the water, right? 20% of the water. So Indian Ocean is bounded by Australia to its east, Africa to its west, and then Asia to its north above. So you can see here. So this is Indian Ocean. To the east side, this is east side is Australia. To the south side, this is south, Antarctica, that is here, and then to the west side is Africa, and to the north top is Asia, right? So that is given. So next point is what? That is the south of the Indian Ocean is the Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic, below the Indian Ocean is Antarctic, that is southern ocean we say. So Antarctic Ocean, let us see. So it is the in the South Pole. It is in the South Pole. That is why we say it as southern what? Yes, tell me. We say it as Southern Ocean also. So Antarctic, that is now Arctic. Arctic is in the north, and this is the smallest ocean. Which is the smallest ocean? Arctic, that is the north, top one, right? So situated in the North Pole. Arctic is situated in the North Pole. You can see here. So this is Arctic, that is the smallest, which is located in North Pole. Okay, understand? Remember? Okay, good. So this is about oceans. So how many oceans are there? Which they are located? Where they are located? Will everyone remember? Yes? Okay, good. So remember them. Fine. So now should we go to the next? So see here. So let us see about continents now. What? We'll see about continents now. So how many continents are there? 7 continents are there. Okay. So yes, which are the 7 continents? Asia, one, that is the biggest. Okay. After that is Africa, and then yes, so North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. Okay, yes. So after that is Europe, that is third one Europe. Let's take fourth one North America, fifth one South America, sixth one Antarctica, seventh Australia, right? So this is what? 7. Yeah, fifth one is South America, beta. South America. You can write it down. Wait, okay. So these are, India is located in where? India is located in Asia, right? India is situated in Asia. Okay, good. Yes. So Asia is the largest continent, right? You can see which is the larger here. Asia is the larger by land. Okay, good. Let us see the continents. Which are the continents here? Asia, then Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. So these are 7 continents. Okay. So you have to join once again, beta. Daily we cannot say same thing, right? So here continents. So continent is on the planet Earth is larger landmass than is made up of different countries. So continent is what? Separate landmass, that is separate, we have seen separate landmass, right? So landmass of Earth, in that there are different countries, right? There are different countries in that. So you can see here, so here if you see South America, North America is separated, that is why they are made it as continent. If you see Australia is separate, that is why it is made one separate continent. So continent is made on what basis? Separate landmass. Okay, so here if you see they are joined, but that is bigger part, so that is why they are made it as Asia and Europe. So this Africa is separate, so that is why it is made as one continent. Okay, so that is how the continents are what? Formed here. So see here.
Sometimes people together say Europe and Asia, Eurasia.
Yes, Eurasia, that is correct. Okay, good. So next let us see, originally all of the continents are known as known them today were part of one giant landmass that is named Pangea. So if you see here, you may observe something. So this our India is there, right? So India, if you see here, it is it can be joined here. What? It can be joined here if you see. So it can be joined here, right? So it was connected, both were what? The Indian subcontinent was connected to the Africa, right? So everything was connected in a way before, very long back, that is 175 million years ago. What? 175 million years ago means, that is how many years ago in Indian system? Tell me. Yes, million means 10 lakh. Yes, so that is, if you say, that is 17.5 crore. Yes, 17.5 crore years ago they were all what? Connected, means they were one mass. You may have seen Earth was what? A hot giant ball. After it cooled, the life started, right? So everything was this connected, then it got separated by the what? Oceans and waterways, seas and all. So then it is drifting, you may see the continents are drifting away from each other, right? So this is how many years ago it was connected, Africa and India was connected. Now when they got separated, India moved away, and because of that it what? Moved away in such a way that the it connected to this part, and because of the impact, the Himalayas formed, that is the large mountains. Those mountains, how did they form? This landmass, this area and this area, they collided. What will happen when they collide? There will be impact, right? So because of that impact, the land went up, they formed the mountains, right? That is how the mountains are formed. Okay, so Himalayas formed because of the impact between the Indian subcontinent and this continent. Okay, understand? So let us see. Yes,
What is impact?
impact means, that is joining together, they what? Combined, right? So that is they came closer and they collided to each other, right? Colliding, fine. So that is what. So here everything was one part, everything, all the land was one part. That part is what? Named as Pangea. What is it named? Pangea. It is named as Pangea. So after that, because of the water and all, it got separated into different continents. Okay, yes, it got separated, divided, understand? So that existed how many years ago? 175 million years ago, and it is considered as the supercontinent that included all the 7 continents which later drifted apart, that is divided from each other. Okay, so next point, the name of the 7 continents of the world. So we have seen the names, yes, that is Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America and Antarctica. So 7 continents, they got separated. So some of the continents are connected to each other while others are not connected. All of them have different number of countries forming them. So this is just the information, that is some are connected, some are separated continents, right? So which are connected, if you see in the map you will understand which are connected continents. Asia and Europe, yes, and apart from that maybe here North America, South America may be connected, you can see here, but not so only that, right? Yes, okay, so that is what is the point here, understand? Okay, so
Sir, I think Australia and India is also connected, sir.
no beta. So see here there are some continents are connected by land, okay, so remember. So now next, so we have seen about continents. Let us go to the first continent, that is Asia. Which continent we'll see? We'll see the first continent, that is Asia here, okay. So if you see Asia, there are so many countries in Asia. So our country is situated, India is situated in Asia, great, okay. So here if you see Russia is sometimes considered as part of what, Asia only, and it is part of both the continents, that is Europe and Asia both, right? Okay, yes, yeah, it is there in both, okay. Russia is very big, that it is there in both the parts, okay.
Seems to be big, no, sir?
What?
China.
Yes, China is one of the biggest by land, right? Okay, so some of the countries in Asia are, India is there in Asia, so let us see which are Indian bordering countries, okay. So if you see India is here, so the bordering countries to India are what? That is neighboring countries. So Pakistan, right? After that is Afghanistan. If you see one by one you will understand. So Pakistan, Afghanistan, right? And then China, right? China, and then Nepal. Here Nepal is there. Bhutan is there here. Yes, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Sri Lanka and Maldives, these are here. They are sea border countries. What? Sea border countries, not land border countries. They are sea border countries. So seven, that is total are 9, right? In that 7 are land border and 2 are sea border, that is which are Maldives and Sri Lanka are sea border, 7 are, that is land border, okay, understand? Good. So other countries which are situated in Asia are, that is Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, those are all countries, right? So remember these are some of the important countries you should know which are situated in Asia, okay, good. So next let us see the points. Asia is the largest continent, right? By what? Land and population, that is size and population. Yes, why population? Because two of the biggest populated countries, that is India and China, are in what? Asia only, that is why the population of Asia is highest, okay. So the size of Asia is also bigger one. So these are 2 points, okay, remember. Yes, any doubts here?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, so let us see the next point. Asia covers 1/3 of the earth's surface. How much surface? 1/3. That is, if you take this earth, that is the land, 1/3, this much is Asia only, because of Russia, right? Russia is very big, so that is why Asia is bigger, right? Good. So it has 30% of the world's land and 60% of the population, right? So total the world's population is nearly around 8 billion. 8 billion, okay. In that 60% means how much it is? Yes, 60% means 4.8 billion, right? So half will be, that is How much? Half will be 4, and more than that is 4.8 billion, nearly 4.8 billion are in Asia only, right? Billion means 100 crore, right? 1 billion means 100 crores. So 480 crore people are there. In India alone, how many people are there? Tell me. Now the population is 141 crore, right? 141 crore. So that much. So here it is 4.8 billion means 480 crore, right? So in that, in India alone, there are 141 crore. And in China, if you take China, that is plus, there are nearly around 140 crore, right? So total 280 crore people are in these two countries only. So they are highly populated. Okay, good. So next point, the world's largest country, Russia, is in what? Asia. And populous, most populous means so many people are in India and China. So those two countries make the population higher for Asia, right? Good. So next point, see here, Asia houses the highest point on earth. That is which point? Tell me. The highest point, that is highest mountain is which? Mount Everest. Yes, highest point is Mount Everest. Which is the highest mountain? That is Mount Everest. Where is it located? That is in Asia. Okay, understand how much high it is? The height of the mountain is 8,848 meter, or you can consider it as 8.84 kilometer. 8.84 kilometer, right? So 8,848 kilometer, that is the land. They are telling about the land, but in the Pacific Ocean it is the sea. This is the land. Okay, fine. And the lowest point, which is the lowest point? Highest point is Mount Everest. The lowest point is also in Asia only. So which is that? That is Dead Sea is the lowest point. Okay, so it is 430.5 meters below the sea level. How much meter below the sea level? 430 meters. So does everyone know what is the meaning of sea level? Tell me. Yes.
It's
Ah.
under the land.
Yes, no, that is little different. So if you say sea level means sea, you know sea level, that is sea. So water is there. Water level everywhere will be same. Yes, this is the sea. So water level is considered as what? Sea level means the height. So if this is the sea and this is beach now, this is what? Beach. Okay, this is beach. And after that there is one building. What? There is one like this slope, and there is one building here. Okay, so here this is higher than the sea level. This is the water, right? So this building is higher than the sea level, like that. If something is lower than this sea level, if this beach is there, something like this is there, and then there is one building here, this is below the sea level, that is, this is the sea. Water will always be at the same height for all the points, at the all the points. Okay, yes. If you keep water in the one, if you take water in one glass or one plate, it will, the level will be same everywhere, right? Because water is property, right? So that is the meaning. So here this building is below the sea level. This is water is sea level, below this sea level. This building is above the sea level. So if you consider this point 430 meter, so this water, that is the sea level, it is below that. How much meter? 430 meter, nearly half kilometer, right? So that is, where is it located? In the Dead Sea, right? So on the earth, that is the Dead Sea, with an elevation of 430 meter below the sea level. Understood? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's see the next point. The Great Wall of China, that is, where is it? It is in China. So only man-made structure that can be seen from the space is located in Asian continent, right? So
Actually, sir,
yes.
you cannot see the Great Wall of China in the space, sir. It's fake.
Yes, you can see from the space. Okay, so you can see from the space, that is above. You may have seen the spacecraft goes above in the sky, right? So from there, that is space station, international space station. There is international space station. Does everyone know? You may have seen the scientist floating. Have you seen scientist floating in the air? Yes, inside the space station. That is the space station. Yes, okay, good. So that is in the space, means above in the sky. Okay, good. So here let's see the next. Asia is the bounded by the north, that is to the north by Arctic Ocean. You may have seen in this, right? So this is Asia. Here this side is what? Arctic Ocean. Below that is Indian Ocean, right? So to the east, that side is Pacific Ocean, and to the south, that is below, is the Indian Ocean, right? So just if you remember the map, you will understand. So see here, if I tell you in the map, it will be easy. So this side is Indian Ocean, right? Below is Indian Ocean, that is south side, and this side is what? Yes, Pacific Ocean. Okay, so Pacific Ocean, that is east side, and then this side, that is west side, is Atlantic, right? Atlantic Ocean, that is the west side. Understand? Okay, so now should we go to the next? Yes.
Excuse me, sir. What topic we are doing, sir?
Yes, who is that? We are studying about the continents. Okay, listen, okay, you will understand.
Sir, we want to learn these points. It is going to come in test.
Yes, okay, good. So next, the largest lake in the world, that is Capsican Sea, lies at junction of the Europe and Asia. So largest lake in the world, which is the largest lake in the world? Capsican Sea. Where is it located? Yes, between the Europe and Asia. Okay. So next point.
Okay, sir.
So here Yangtze is the longest river in the Asia, that is Asia continent. Okay, Yangtze, it is located where? It is in the China. Where is it located? That is China. Yes, fine. It flows through China. Yangtze river, remember, that is the longest river in Asia. Which is the longest river in world? Yes, that is Nile. Yes, Nile, that is different, that is situated in Africa. Okay, so next point. Asia is the birthplace of many religions, right? So Asia is famous for so many religions, different culture, right? So those are, which are the religions? Buddhism, that is Christianity, Confucians, Hinduism, Islam, Jainism, and Sikhism and Zoroastrianism. So those are all what? Originated in India. That is that is Asia, right? So Asia is what? Considered as one of the very much developed what? Before, in the ancient time. So it was very much developed, and the different what is if you say cultures, right? There were so many different cultures and human what? Habitats, right? So you may have heard of Harappan civilization, right? So those civilizations, many civilization originated in what? That is
Sir, what is that?
in Asia, right? Civilization means people living together. When people start living together, form colonies, so what happens? Different things generate, right? Someone set up shops, some of them set up what? Different things, and then the life starts. That is the social life starts, right? So society starts. That is civilization. That is living together, people living together. It starts different things. That is the civilization. It starts a civil people. Civil means people. Okay, so that is social life. Okay, society. Fine. Okay, yes, any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, is the Caspian Sea the biggest lake or the Nile?
Nile is a river. Nile is the longest river. Caspian Sea is the lake. Okay, yes, lake it is. So Africa. Now let us see the next. Africa here. So there are different countries. So which are the countries? See here. So Egypt, South Africa, Morocco, Mauritius, Seychelles, Tunisia, Rwanda, Algeria, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Nigeria, Sudan. These are some of the important countries here. Yes, if you see, Egypt is here, Sudan, Libya, Algeria, so Morocco is here, right? So these are so many countries. Okay, so there are how many countries? Nearly around 54 countries are there. Okay, so here if you see, Africa is the second largest after Asia, second largest and most populous continent after Asia. So Africa has the highest number of countries. How many countries? Nearly 54 countries. Okay, yes, someone was asking doubt. Yes,
In Asia, how many countries, sir?
nearly around 49 countries. Okay, in Asia. Fine. So the continent was unexplored by the Europeans for a fairly long period of time, earning it the name dark continent. This point means what? You may have seen Europeans had ruled all over the world, right? That is India. India was ruled by what? Britishers, right? Like that Dutch, Spanish, Spain. Those are all countries had France, right? They what? Went to the other countries and they ruled there, right? Formed their kingdom. So here, that is, Africa was unexplored. They did not what? They started ruling at the later part, right? So that is why it is considered as they did not discover, means they did not see that or visit the African continent. So that is why the name dark continent. Okay, fine. So let's see the next, that is the world's longest river Nile and the world's largest hot desert, that is Sahara, both lie in African continent. So in the Africa the Nile river exists, right? Good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Where is Amazon rainforest, sir?
Amazon rainforest is between North America and South America. Okay, so that is Canada near, like that. Okay, that is between North America and South America. So see here, so source of river Nile is Lake Victoria. So Nile river starts from where? Victoria Lake. Okay, and it discharges in the water of Mediterranean Sea. So where the Nile river joins? In the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, fine. So next point, let us see, that is Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro, located in Tanzania, is the highest mountain peak of Africa. In Asia it is which mountain? That is Mount Everest. In Africa it is Mount Kilimanjaro. So where is it located? Tanzania. Okay, that is the country name. Next, the equator runs almost through the middle of the continent, and it is the only continent through which the equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, all three pass through, right? So this is Africa, right? So if you see, this is the Africa continent. So nearly in the middle, the equator pass, and the Tropic of Cancer, that is this, and Tropic of Capricorn, right? So that is, if you see, 23 degrees and how much? That is a 23 degrees, 23.4394 degrees. Okay, so that is what is Tropic of Cancer towards the north. So if you see, so this is 23 point something degrees, right? So this is towards the north, this is the north part, this is the south part, right? So this is the equator. Equator means equal, dividing in equal parts, that is half of the earth. I am talking about the earth. Okay, so total earth, full globe. Okay, so this is north, towards north, and this is towards the south, right? So the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So towards the south is Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn, and towards the north is Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so this all the three passes through which, yes, that is the Africa. Okay, yes.
Excuse me, sir. I have a
Hmm.
doubt, sir.
Yes.
The
What is that?
international line. Up is Tropic of Cancer, down is Tropic of Capricorn, sir. Then what is the middle, sir?
That is equator. So this is globe, right? That is Earth. If you take in the middle half, yes, half equal.
Yes, sir.
So that is what?
It is
Equator. Half equal. Equator. Now, if you see, this is 23 degrees here. This is towards the north side. This is north. This is what? Tropic of Cancer. What? Tropic of Cancer. Okay, fine. So this passes mainly through, these are all continents. Okay, so this also passes through the Africa. This is Africa, right? And Tropic of Capricorn now. Tropic of Capricorn is how much? That is 23 degree below, towards the south side. Okay, so see here, I will erase this. So this here somewhere. Okay, so Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so this is how much? 23 degrees. Yes, 23 degrees towards the south. Okay, so that is what? Tropic of Capricorn. It is Capricorn. Okay, remember this. And the half is equator. Half is the equator. Fine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
What is the middle which divides the globe into north, south, and
Yes, we will study that later. Okay, once we will, when we will study about planets and solar system, we will study. Okay, yes, any doubt, let me know. So just remember, that is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn means what? Okay, fine. Okay, so see here. So see here, next, the Atlas mountain range, an important mountain range of the Africa, lies in northwestern Africa. Mount Taubkal is the highest point of the Atlas mountain. So that is what? The Atlas mountain range, in that Mount Taubkal is the highest mountain in Atlas range. Okay, so next point is what?
sir, your place.
So Kalahari, Karu, Namib and Guban are some of the important deserts of Africa. That is part of Sahara Desert. That is the largest desert is Sahara Desert, and in that these are the names. So just remember. Okay. So Cape Agulhas is the southernmost tip of the Africa, right? So that is the below part. The southernmost part tip is, that is Cape Agulhas. Okay. Next is Africa is the separated. Africa is separated from Europe by Mediterranean Sea, and from North America by Atlantic Ocean. So you, if you see the Africa, you will see that is from the Europe, it is separated by Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so if you see here, you will understand. So this is Europe here. Here Europe is there. This is Mediterranean Sea, and this side is which? North America and South America. It is separated by what? That is by Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh.
Here
What?
it is come live sharing on YouTube something.
Okay, leave that. Okay, so listen to the class, leave that. So the Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway in Egypt, connecting the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through the Isthmus of Suez and dividing Africa and Asia. The 193-kilometer long canal is popular trade route between Europe and Asia. So if you see the what map, you will understand. Okay, so here, so this is where is the Suez Canal. Okay, so this connects what? That is Asia and Europe, right? So this was what? To pass the ships and all, it is made artificially, right? That is connected. Okay, So it is one of the important where the ships can pass and take the different what things, that is goods. Okay, good. So remember that Suez Canal is in what, connecting what parts? So see here, Suez Canal connects what, Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. Okay, so that is 193 kilometer. Okay, fine. So should we go to the next, that is North America now. So North America, there are mainly bigger countries are Canada, United States, Mexico, Greenland. These are some of the bigger countries, and apart from that smaller countries are other, right? So let us see some of the important countries here. So Commonwealth of Bahamas, Canada, Republic of Costa Rica and Republic of Cuba, Commonwealth of Dominica, Dominican Republic, Republic of El Salvador, Republic of then Republic of Haiti, Jamaica, United Mexican States, Republic of Panama, United States of America. These are some of the important countries. Yes. So if you see the points, I will go little faster here. So see, North America is the third largest continent after Asia and what, Africa. So and fourth largest in terms of population. Okay, so North America is split into 23 countries. The largest countries in North America is Canada and the smallest country is Saint Kitts and Nevis. Okay, so the North America was discovered by explorer Christopher Columbus in 1492 AD. Okay, yes. So next is Greenland is the largest island of the North America, which is also the largest island of the world. So Greenland, all side, island means from all the sides there will be water. So Greenland is the country which has water on the all sides. Okay, yes.
Excuse me,
Yes, what?
sir. This island is surrounded by water only. So, where the people are living on island?
Means there will be land. See here, there is water everywhere. This is water. Okay, so this is land. In the land they will be living, right? They will be building cities and everything. Okay, yes. Okay, good. So next point, Missouri River is the longest river in North America that has the source, its source in the Rocky Mountains. So which is the longest river in the North America? Missouri, right? So where is it originated? It starts from Rocky Mountains. Okay, good. So next point, the Rocky Mountains from the longest mountains range in the North America. So that is form and are the second longest range in the world. Yes. So which is the longest range of mountains in the North America? Rocky Mountains. Okay. Denali Mountain, that is Mount McKinley in Alaska, is the highest point of the continent rising, that is 6190 meters. How many meters? That is 6190 meters above the sea level. And Death Valley in California is the lowest point of the continent, that is 86 meter below the sea level, that is water level. Yes, understand? So these points you have to remember. So will everyone remember these points? Tell me.
Yes.
So Lake Superior in Central North America is the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area. Which is the largest water lake? That is by surface area, means the area. Okay, so how much it covers, land area. So which is it? Lake Superior. Where is it located? Central North America. Okay, fine. That is the largest, means by water, that is the largest, the amount of water in that. Okay, so land area, that is surface area, how much it is spread, right? Like that. So here North America is separated by Asia through which Bering Strait. Okay, Niagara Falls is the famous waterfall in North America located on the borders of USA and Canada. So Niagara Falls is the highest falls, right? That is the height, right? You may have seen. So Niagara Falls is very famous. You can visit. That is between USA and Canada. So temperate grasslands found in North America are called what? Prairies. What are they called? Grasslands, that is prairies, temperate grasslands. Okay. So should we go to the next, that is Southern America, Southern America or South America. In the South America, the biggest country is Brazil, right? So Brazil, Argentina and Venezuela are some of the biggest, right? Peru, Colombia. Yes. Okay. So let us see some of the important countries. Yes, what, beta?
So Germany also is located in South America.
Germany is part of Europe. Yes, Germany is part of Europe. Okay, Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, right? Chile, Colombia, Ecuador, Guyana, and then Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Uruguay, Venezuela, right? These are what? These are some of the important countries in the South America, right? Okay, so South America is the fourth largest continent by area and the fifth largest continent in terms of population. And the continent is located to the west of Atlantic Ocean, east of Pacific Ocean, south of North America, and that is north of Antarctica. Okay, yes, you may see in the position. So see here. So this is what? This side is Africa. Yes, above to the north is North America. Yes, this side is Pacific Ocean. Yes, so this is the location. Below this is Atlantic, right? That is with the Arctic Sea below this. Okay, so that is the position. And then Brazil is the largest country in South America. Which is the largest country in South America? Brazil. And Suriname, what, is the smallest country in the continent. Okay, fine. Andes, the world's longest mountain range. Which is the longest mountain range? Andes. Okay, yes, is found in this continent. So that is South America. Okay, so and Aconcagua is the highest peak of the South America with an elevation of 6,962 meters. So that is the Aconcagua, that is the highest peak. Okay, next is the continent is also home to the world's tallest waterfall. Which is it? That is Angel Falls in the Venezuela, which has staggering height of 979 meters. So Niagara Falls is not highest, that is Angel Falls is the highest waterfall. Okay, so where is it situated? It is situated in South America. Okay, so Atacama desert, considered to be the driest place on the earth, is found in this continent. So which desert? Atacama desert. Okay, Bolivia is one of the countries of South America whose capital La Paz is the highest city in the world with an elevation of 3869 meters above the sea level. So which is the highest capital that is above the sea level? That is La Plaza of Bolivia. Okay, so let us see the next points. So the world's largest rainforest, Amazon forest, is situated in South America. Where is it situated? That is Amazon forest is in where? South America. Okay, so Amazon river, the largest river in the world in terms of volume, is located in the South America. Longest river is different, largest is different. Largest means that is water, that is volume they are selling. Volume means how much water is there in that river. So that is Amazon river is the largest river. Longest is Nile. Okay, longer length. So Lake Titicaca is what? Titicaca is the largest freshwater lake in the South America. and the highest freshwater lake in the world. Okay, pampas of the Argentina are the famous grasslands of the South America. Okay, so remember these points. Fine. So will everyone remember this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So let
sir.
us go to the next, that is Arctic, that is Antarctica. Antarctica continent. Okay, so Antarctica, there are no countries. Yes, there are no countries. That is, whole is ice. This is all ice. Okay, that is cold place.
Sir, it
Hmm.
won't live in country.
Yes. Huh? Yes.
Sir, itself one is one country.
That is Australia, beta. That is different. Antarctica is different. Okay.
Sir,
Huh. Yes.
what is meaning by the pampas?
Where this? Huh?
Pampas.
Grassland, beta. The name given to this grassland. Grass means, you know, grassland. So grasslands, that is where Argentina, the grasslands in the Argentina, the name is pampas. Okay, that is the name. Okay, fine. So see here. So Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in terms of the area and is the Earth's southernmost continent, overlying the South Pole. So below the South Pole, that is near. So it is all cold. North Pole and South Pole are very cold, ice, full of ice, right? So that is why no people can survive there, right? So if there are no people, then there will be no continent, there will be no country and nothing, right? So that is why there is no country.
Only penguins.
Yeah, yes, okay. So there are different animals, okay, polar bear, penguins, that is in the south and north. Okay, different animals are there.
Tiger.
Yes, okay, good.
That's my
So
favorite.
here Antarctica is the southernmost continent. So the place where the waters of Pacific, Atlantic and Indian Ocean merge is the Southern Ocean. That is which? Yes, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean, also known as the Antarctic Ocean, that encircle the Antarctica. Yes, so this is the ocean you can see here. So this is ice, that is Antarctica. Surrounding this, what is there? This is the water, blue color, that is the water, that is the Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. Okay. So see here, Antarctica is the world's coldest and uninhabited continent of the world. Means there is no people. Uninhabited means there are no people. Right? Habitation. So you may have seen. So coldest. This is the coldest continent. Okay. That is why people cannot survive there. So it is also called the white continent or the frozen continent. Why white continent? It is all ice. Frozen, that is all ice. That is why freeze, frozen. Yes. So Antarctica sees half a year of light, that is 24 hours of complete brightness in the summer months and half a year of what? Complete darkness in winter months. Yes. Why? Because why is that? If you see, our earth is 23 degree tilted, right? So when it faces towards the sun, the south part will be facing that. When it goes away 6 months, there will be no sun. That is why. Okay. Yes. Huh.
Sir, I don't understand.
So I will tell that, just remember this. I will tell when we study the solar system, I will tell. Okay. So
Sir, it is 8 o'clock, sir.
yes, we'll little bit cover it. Okay, so this is earth. The earth is tilted like this, right? Yes, so that is why. Okay. Huh.
Okay,
So see here.
okay, sir.
Huh. So next point, what? Penguins, whales and seals are common animals found in Antarctica, right? Penguins will be there. Yes, someone said, right? So penguins are there in what? Antarctica. Okay. So Mount Vinson, massive. what Vinson Massif is the highest peak in the Antarctica at how many meters? 4892 meters above the sea level. Okay, so that is the mountain what? Vinson Massif. That is the highest peak in Antarctica, highest mountain. Okay, so remember, will everyone remember these points? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So any doubts, tell me now.
No, sir.
No doubts. Should we go to the next, that is Europe? Yes.
Sir.
So Europe, in this Germany is there. Okay, so you can see Russia is some part, then Finland, Sweden, Norway, Poland, Belarus, then Ukraine near that, and then Germany here. Yes, so these are all United Kingdom, that is Britain, France, Spain, Portugal, Italy,
Oh.
Turkey. Those are all what? Countries of what? Europe. Okay.
Plus Switzerland also.
Yes, Switzerland also. Okay, good. So see here, what are the some of the important countries? France, United Kingdom, that is Britain, Turkey, Germany, Italy, Spain, Poland, Greece, Ukraine, Czech Republic, Sweden, Switzerland, Norway, Netherlands, Finland, Portugal, and Belgium. These are some of the important countries in the what? Europe. Okay, there are many countries. So remember at least these. So Europe is the second smallest continent, right? So smallest continent is Australia. So second smallest is Europe on the basis of land area, but the third most populous continent after Asia and Africa, right? So Europe and Asia together known as Eurasia, yes, someone told Eurasia, are the two major land masses separated by the Ural Mountains and the Caspian Sea. So that is Caspian Sea is the largest what? Freshwater lake. Okay. Yes. So let us see the next. So here this Europe and Asia are separated by what? Ural Mountains and what? That is
Eurasia.
Caspian Sea. Okay. Ural Mountains and Caspian Sea. Europe is the surrounded by what? Mediterranean Sea in the south, Atlantic and Atlantic. Okay, fine. So ocean in the west and Arctic Ocean in the north. So this point should be connected. So Atlantic Ocean in the west. So if you see Europe, you will understand. So this is Europe. To the top, that is to the north, which ocean is there? Yes, Atlantic, right? Arctic is below, Antarctic, Arctic to the top, and then this side is Pacific, this side is Atlantic Ocean. Yes, these are the oceans. So this side is Atlantic. Okay, top one is what? Arctic. From the below, what? That is Atlantic here also, and Pacific. Okay, remember that. So see here, it is written in this point. So this point is continuous. Okay, this point is continuous here. It should be continuous. Okay, so Europe is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea in the south, Atlantic Ocean in the west. Yes, that is this side. Arctic Ocean in the north, that is top. Russia is the largest country in the world in terms of area, that forms a part of Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. So that is Russia is in both the continents, right? Okay, so the world's smallest country, which is the world's smallest country? The complete one. Okay. So Vatican City. So it is located in where? Europe, right? Okay. So the Strait of Gibraltar, that is separated what? Europe and Africa, right? So you may have seen Europe and Africa was there. So it is separated by the Strait of Gibraltar. Okay, fine. Okay. So next point, let us see here. The Balkan ranges and Pyrenees, Apennines and Cantabrian and the Alps are some of the major mountain range of the Europe. So which are the mountain ranges in Europe? Balkan ranges, these are all mountain ranges, remember. And Mount Elbrus of the Caucasus mountain is the highest mountain peak of the Europe. Which mountain is the highest mountain? Mount Elbrus. Okay. So the Volga is the longest river in the Europe. Which is the longest river in Europe? Volga. And some of the other major rivers of Europe include Danube, Elbe and Rhine and Dnieper and Don. Okay. So Volga river flows through what? Russia. Volga river flows through Russia. Okay. So remember. Next point is what? Finland in the Europe is called the land of lakes due to the presence of lot of lakes in Finland. Okay. So land of lakes is Finland. Trans-Siberian Rail route is the world's longest rail route. So covering nearly all Eurasia from St. Petersburg in the west to Vladivostok in the east. If you see the Europe, Europe is considered what? Most developed continent, because what? The people are, many are rich and what? They are highly educated, right? So this rail, Europe is what? So much connected, right? If you see, it is all connected, right? So this, the highest, what is that? Rail system, from where to where it is? That is where covering nearly Eurasia from St. Petersburg in the west to Vladivostok in the east. That is the Trans-Siberian Rail route, world's longest rail route. Okay, remember from where to where. So next continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. It is considered to be one country. There are small other countries also, but they are very small. Okay. So see here some of the countries here. Australia is one big country. This is continent also. So some of the smaller countries are on the sides. That is Fiji, Marshall Island, New Zealand, and then Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands and Tonga. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Australia as a continent can also be called as Australia, sir.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So Australia is the smallest continent and sixth largest country in the world. Yes, that is considered as country also. And what? Australia country, you may have heard, right? So Australia is also known as island continent, as it is surrounded by water from all sides. Okay. So the official name of Australia is Commonwealth of Australia. Okay. So let us see the next point. That is, the capital of Australia is Canberra. Okay. Australia lies entirely to the south of equator in the southern hemisphere. Okay. So south of equator, below the equator. Okay, in the southern hemisphere, and it is often called the country down under because it is below the equator, right? So Tropic of Capricorn runs almost through the middle of the Australia, that is below, that is towards the south, right? So this is equator, this is Capricorn, this is Cancer, right? Tropic of Cancer. So see the next points. So here, the largest coral reef in the world, the Great Barrier Reef, is located in this continent. Okay. So Mount Kosciuszko is the highest mountain in the Australian continent, located in New South Wales. Okay. So that is the highest mountain, what, in the Australian continent. So the Mount Murray, that is the river Murray, which flows through Australia, originates from Australian Alps and drains into the Southern Ocean, that is below what, Arctic Ocean, right? So it is longest river of Australia. How much long it is? 2508 kilometers. 2508 kilometers. Okay. So the kangaroo is the national animal of Australian continent. Which is the national animal of that is Australian continent? Tell me. Kangaroo. Okay. Okay, good. So this is about all the continents. So will everyone remember there are 7 continents and its details? We will practice the questions in the next class. Okay. Yes. So will everyone write down the notes? Tell me. Okay. So this is all the details of the continents. Okay, I will share the notes in the WhatsApp group. You can write it down. Okay, fine. Okay, okay then. Okay, so you can also write it down from the video. Okay, so will everyone write it down from the video? Tell me. Okay, okay, good. So you don't have to draw the what map. Just remember the map and you can get the map of the world. So everyone get the map of the world and every day you should see which country is where and you will be able to remember. So you can see one continent one day, 7 days 7 continent. So if you see every day it will be automatically you will remember, okay, which country is in which continent. Okay, so will everyone get the map of the world? Yes, and see every day one continent. Yes. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, okay, very good. Okay, good. So, okay, okay, okay. So, everyone, thank you for watching and subscribe to Azurite classes for more such videos. Thank you.